against this Ali Osku of Iran, who has just looked excellent.
But once again, we have a real parterre battle here. Both these gentlemen have showed that they're extremely capable of scoring points from the parterre offense position. Ali Osku doing his lifts. Akjol Mahmoudov doing his reverse lifts. We'll see who wins this battle.
2021 in Tokyo, Mahmoudov was a silver medalist. Then he won back-to-back world titles. Olympic bronze in 24 in Paris. Three-time Asian champion at the senior level. Also has 3 age group champions. He was down, he was up at 82 kilos. He's made the move back down to 77. He was at 82 and did not perform super well at Tirana at the ranking series. Meanwhile, Osku won the ranking series event. Won the U23 World Bronze Medal in Tirana in 2024. And first point for Mahmoudov. And we go parterre.
Let's see if he goes for the reverse lift or his regular side lift here. He goes for the reverse lift. Yep. Oscar doing a great job trying to stand up.
Swims forward, yep.
Oscar's doing a great job centering his head between Akjol's legs. Here we go.
Didn't matter as he throws it through for 2. Iran's coaches want to bring him up.
Here we go. Do we have one more?
Oh, we get a reversal.
We have a challenge requested.
And you see Kyrgyzstan's coach saying, no, no, no. He's waving his hands intently to say, no, 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 no.
Okay, up. Up to stand position again.
Up, okay, up.
The challenge is canceled by the coach.
And the button off again. We'll have a conference with the officials here. Once
okay,
again,
if you see, I said goal. No?
33 seconds left in the period, a 3-1 lead for Mahmoudov. I mean, how many empty seats do you see in here, Leon?
Not many at all.
Not many at all.
Wow, this atmosphere is amazing. Let's see what they were looking for here at in the challenge.
Oh, so they will go blue challenge.
Akjol requested it.
At this point, I would have to guess legs, but
Yes. But I'm not sure which situation they're asking the challenge for. They want 4 points.
oh yeah. So again, bringing him off the mat.
Not 4 points. This should be 2 points. But I don't know if they're looking for a leg foul later in the match.
Allez, اونجا رو بله کن.
Couple different angles at it. Lynn, do you think when he comes off of this position here, he's up completely off the mat, but is that still grounded would be the question.
No, I think they're looking for a leg foul there in the first sequence.
And then Makhmudov is gesturing for. Is he high enough off the mat here? Look, like his knees are not grounded anymore, but he rolls through. Meanwhile, Iran is going, no, legs. Makhmudov wants 4. Asku wants a leg foul.
Let's see what the officials say.
Foul!
Challenger must be. He has no foul. Action from Pate, 2-point blue. Also no foul. Reversal, 1-point red. Challenge is lost.
Challenge lost.
All that to just say, here's a point for a lost challenge. 3-2, and that's it's also key because Makhmudov no longer has a challenge the rest of the bout.
Yeah, and Makhmudov only needs to defend the rest of this match now. Even though he gets put down in partner in the second period, he only needs to defend because he's up on criteria because he has a 2-pointer if the score would end 3-3. And that's a big if.
Attention for fingers.
And it's still a lot of wrestling to be done. We got just over 3 minutes as we're in short time here in the first period. And we go to the break, 3-2 for Makhmudov of Kyrgyzstan.
Okay, center. Red, center. Blue, center. Red, center. Right. Okay, guys, attention, fingers, okay? Next time we'll get close.
And here we go, 3 more minutes to go here in our gold medal final at 77 kilos.
Fingers, last warning. Blue, fingers.
So the tactics here from Makhmudov is to keep down the pace. Unless he's looking for that second parter, which it doesn't look like. So he just wants to slow it down because he knows he's going to be put down in parterre. And he might be saving his energy to do excellent defense in parterre, as we've seen him done before.
Blue, action!
There's the passivity, the point for
Red, red.
Asku.
Let's see here. Asku had some great lifts earlier today, and we saw some great lifts at the Zagreb ranking series.
Red, contact. Red, attention, contact.
And again, he's got that style, that build of those tremendous Iranian middleweights, the long arms, the long legs, just the stout shoulders.
Open, blue, open. Action, red. Red, action.
Excellent defense by Makhmudov here.
There's the lift.
Makhmudov's not budging. He is not budging. And the crowd goes wild. That was a beautiful defense by Makhmudov there.
Makhmudov turns 27 in 8 days. Currently holding criteria. 90 seconds remain in this gold medal final.
Oscar needs to pick up the pace here. He's got 85 seconds to turn this around.
Another passivity. And that's the third one, but so that is just position. Oscar looks confused. What do you think? I think you've said enough. So the third passivity is just position. There is no point. The first two get a point.
Let's see if he goes for his lifter. That's some very unconventional defense there by Oscar.
A minute to go, so the passivities are off the table from here on out.
Head up. Attention, head up.
Talked about pace a lot.
Guys, chest to chest, okay?
Got detention for the battering ram leading with the head.
Last one, head up.
Makhmudov does not budge. He's so solid. He's so calm. Very impressive. This is why he's a double world champion. He's right here.
15 to go. The crowd to their feet. As world champion Akjol Makhmudov will give Kyrgyzstan another Asian championship, and it will be his fourth senior Asian championship. An early birthday present for Kyrgyzstan's Akjol Makhmudov.